What's up, everybody? It's Benny here, with another problem. S2000, one more time. Once again, should be hoping it's the last time because it's not much more of a problem, but kind of. It's a transmission issue again, but it's not really. But it's like I kind of just, out of being so impatient, from being so impatient and just wanting to get the car going, it's like you got to pay for the consequences. So basically what's going on is transmission's leaking oil. So I'm gonna take it off, bring it out, and just Honda bond just the seals and everything, make sure everything's good. Also, my axle shaft has some 2 stripped bolts that I gotta take out, replace those. So I really want to get this thing running with no issues, so I'm just like gotta take my time now, and really gotta, if I want it to run good without having to run into this kind of issue again and just completely stop with the transmission, I gotta take it out, just be patient with it. And I know it's gonna take a while and it's a process. I gotta do it though, just so I can get it done. But this video I will show you how to do a how-to on remove the transmission on the S2000, because usually I don't show it, and I know there's not that many videos out there that I know of that show how to do it, because I remember when I did it my first time, there's rarely any videos. There's like one, and they didn't really explain much. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'll start off with the first with where I start off. So basically you want to take off this heat shield right here. Oh well, look, it's loose, not even secured right. So we're going to take this off, and then I'm going to take this heat shield off. There's 2 bolts right here for this one. There's one bolt right here, another one right there, and then there's one like back there. It's kind of hidden, it's kind of hard to get to. So I gotta take this off, bring it out, take this off, bring it out, and then I'll start taking off these off for the headers, and then I'll show you guys how to pop it out. Those 2 right there off. Take those 2 off, and then there's 3 actually. There's one right here, one right there, and another one like in the middle. And then once you get that off, you move it up, and right there's another bolt for the heat shield on the headers. I'm gonna take that off, and then move this back, and then you kind of gotta slip the headers out. Like you gotta force them kind of out, not the headers, the shield. Head it like this way almost, and then pull it out. Just like that, both of those are out. So what I actually did is I took this one out first, and then this one. So, and this one you still have to budge out. The reason you gotta take it out is because I don't think it'll fit fully through with the whole heat shield going down, because you gotta take out the headers through the bottom. So now you just gotta undo the bolts, which is this one, this one, this one. I think there's one in the bottom, that one, that, and then one on the side and one on the bottom. I think it's 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 on the bottom, 3 on the top. So just get those done, and then I don't know if I'm gonna check before I take it out completely, but I think you just gotta disconnect some things in the bottom, like disconnect it from the Cadillac converter. That's about it. So oh shit. But yeah, alright. I did forget to mention, there's 2 bolts. I did forget to mention for the headers. There is 2 bolts in the bottom that hold it in place that you need to take it off. So it's this one, and then actually I think that might be the only one. I thought there's 2. Oh, okay, Okay, no, it's just that one. You need to take this one off. I'm gonna set up the camera in a way so you guys can see how I take out the headers. Right now, so right here are the headers. Okay. First of all, don't forget to disconnect this because you don't want it to pull and then it get fucked up or something. So, holy, looks like they're coming out alone. Basically, they're gonna drop. Be very careful not to hit yourself. Bring them down. Play with them a little. You gotta bring it out that way though. Hopefully, let me see if this is in the way. Oh, this might be in the way. Hopefully not. Boom. They're very heavy. Set them down out of the way, and voila, there you go. It's a very essential part if you want to remove the transmission because they do get in the way. I didn't do that the first 3 times. Did it I didn't do it the first 2 times. I did it the 3rd time, and now I'm doing it again because it does make it much easier to get this thing out. Because if it doesn't, you'll be budging it between this and that, like that. It will get in the way. It'll just get in the way. So now onto I think we'll go on top of the car, inside the car. It's gonna go basically, put that there, move this, throw it aside, and then you need to take this off. This whole piece is coming off, so you could, where you could get a grip of, just, mine pops off pretty easy. And then, just like that, oh, just like, hold on, let me show you. Pop it off, slide it up, over, and there you go. Oh, and don't forget to disconnect these things right here. This is for your, one is for your emergency lights, and the other one is for your top. Put that to the side, there you go. And now, but under here, there is, I take off, there's a little flap right here, this little flap right here, this black thing right here. Let me see if I could better focus. I don't know. So, there is 3 bolts. You'll just move it to the side. Can't really get a good, there's one right there, one on the other side, and another one, and like in the bottom. So it's like a triangle almost. So it goes 1, 1, 1. You can move the stick, you can move your shifter so you can get better, but don't forget to move it back into neutral because if not, it's gonna stay in that position. You don't want it like that, so yeah. Alright, so I'm close to, I got that bolt out, I put it right there. The other one fell in there, but you can just get it out after. Close to taking out this 3rd one, and I want to show you guys, oh there we go. I want to show you guys what's the deal with this. So once you take out all the bolts, I'm gonna pull the shifter out, pops right out. So will be a spring, this, and that's about it. But and the little swivel. So when you put it out, make sure they're like greased up good, not too crazy good, like too crazy grease, but like good enough. Now it's easy. There's 2 slots on here that show you like how to put it in. One's bigger than the other. There's the other bolt. And yeah, that's that for up here. So I don't think I don't necessarily think it's, yeah, I think it is, because I think it'll get in the way, but I don't think it's necessary to really take it out. But for my personal experience, I think it is, because it gives you a little bit more room to play. Rather, if you don't take it off, it'll probably get in the way. So, alright. So now, once that's done, going back under the car.